Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology, and today we are going to see what's data analytics and what are the forms of data available and what is data. Okay, so we know data is just a collection of information which everyone are familiar with. Okay, then what are the forms of data? So data can be available in many forms like structure, text, symbol, or picture, or video, or even sounds, etc. So there are n number of types of data forms which is available. So if you want to know the specific definition of data, it is a collection or continuous value that convey information. Okay, it's a value, it may be collected or a continuous value which will convey the information describing the quality. Okay, it has to convey the quality, quantity, facts, statistics, other basic units of meaning of simple sequence of symbol. Okay, this may be the further interpreted formally. So this is the definition of data. So basically we can simply tell us it's a collection of information. So for example, we have Google Map which will locate our place, and at the same time lively it will tell which route is have a less number of traffic, and it will also show us the timing. Okay, from year to year it will take x number of time. If you go by this route, you can reach it in y number of time. So this is what a data product is. Okay, or for example autonomous car. Okay, this is also a data product, which means there is no driver, but by using the data the car is able to reach its destination. Okay, so this is what a data is. So when it comes to data, normally data analytics, most nowadays 90% of the companies are working on unstructured data. Okay, normally there are three types of data. One is structural, another one is unstructural, another one is semi-structural. The structural data is, for example, if we take a database in a Excel sheet, we can tell it as a structural type of data because everything is arranged in order. Okay, in column and row, so everything is arranged in each cell. So it's an best example for structure type of data. So if we take for unstructural, we can tell a CSV file, Janssen file, or else notepad is a very good example of non-structured data. So the data are saved not in a rows or column, it will be in a mingled way. For example, it may be separated by using comma or full stop or any other symbol. So these type of data are called unstructured data. So but nowadays, as I told you, most of them are using unstructured of the type of data because it has very low storage capacity. Okay, for example, if you take a structured type of data, if I have a database in Excel which is about 200 or 300 MB, if I convert it into an unstructured data, it will be in KBs. Okay, so see how much amount of space we can save. Okay, so nowadays most of the companies are working on live data. Okay, for example, Flipkart, Amazon, YouTube, the data is been generating in every second, even in every millisecond there will be tons of data. For example, it will be around 1 or 1.5 terabytes of data will be generated in microseconds. Okay, so the quantity and the size of the data is very large, so they are making to save them in a for example like unstructured type of data. That's what they prefer. Okay, so now we have saw what a data is, what are the forms of data, what are the different types of data available. For example, structure, unstructured and semi-structured data. Okay, so in our next class we will see the different types of data in programming languages. Okay, thank you everyone.